All right, so I just want to shoot this video real quick to let you know, do not pay your collections. If you have a collection agency calling your phone, sending you letters, chances are you're probably going to get a few letters, but if you have someone harass you, calling you via phone, telling you that you owe this and you need to pay this, do not pay it. Paying collections does no good for your credit because one, you may pay it and it may still report on your credit, right? So the truth is, with credit card companies, they when a collection company is actually getting in touch with you, it is because the original debt collector, which would be the credit card company, the person that you actually have the contract with, they've already charged that off. That's what you call a charge off. So basically what that means is they wrote off that debt, whether it's taxes, insurance, however they do it, I'm not 100% sure, but they charge that off and then they go ahead and sell those charge off accounts to debt collection companies. Now what those debt collection companies try to do is basically double dip. Now remember, the original contract owner has already been, taken care of as far as that debt you owe them. Now the collection company is going to come in and try to make some money on top of that. And the reason you could usually win these disputes is that they don't have the original paperwork. So if they ever contact you by phone, first of all, tell them, hey, listen, I don't know what you're talking about. Send me a letter if you have anything to say to me. If not, then, you have nothing to say. Because basically, if you own up to any debt, what happens is there's a statute of limitations in terms of when something falls off your credit. Now, if you get into, paying money or coming up with payment plans, and this is prematurely, this is before going through the proper steps of getting that off your credit. But if you admit to that, then guess what? That could possibly restart that statute of limitation. So you basically want to keep quiet until either it goes off your credit, which I don't recommend. I always recommend that you try to get these things taken care of. So basically, what you need to do, debt collectors are calling you, tell them you don't want to talk to them, and the best way to handle that is usually in writing. So what you're going to do is ask them for validation. Send me something with my signature on it, and prove to me, because my memory is shot, prove to me that I have any or I owe this debt, because technically you don't owe that collection company anything because you didn't do any business with them. So long story short, again, have them basically, you're going to send out a validation letter. Have them write you. You're not talking to anybody on the phone. Have them, if anything they have to say to you, have them put it in writing. And on top of that, when it's time for you to start the dispute process, you're going to send them a validation letter. Now, you're probably thinking, I don't know how to do none of this. What I'm actually doing is putting together a do-it-yourself credit repair master course. And that is going to be the bomb, y'all. I'm going to save y'all thousands, or let me say hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars when it comes to actually getting your credit cleaned up, getting those things off of your credit without all of the expenses that it would cost you monthly and down payments, going with a credit card, or I should say a credit repair company. So if you want to pre-register for that course, the link is in the bio, and I'll actually set that up for you. So long story short, do not pay these debt collectors that are calling your house. You do not pay collection agencies, all right? You handle it the right way. You go through the proper steps and handle everything all on paper. No talking on the phone, because you're going to talk yourself into something that you can't get out of. Now, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Garage Billionaire channel on YouTube and listen to the podcast. And we are all about the money game. So y'all have a great night, great day, whatever time it is that you're watching this. And again, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification, and I'm out.